Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
This could be a fake question, but I require some scientific explanation for this. In a lot of developing towns, there's a shortage of water. So they have come up, the local authorities, they have come up with STPs. Water comes out of it, they say it is pure. Except drinking, you can use it for taking bath and washing clothes. So just wanted to know, is it permissible Islamic way because the water is treated from the, impure water? It is allowed?
Well, that's a question that, because like the water, they take out from the sewage water and they treat it in a way that it becomes pure for everything except drinking. Now, you should realize that there are certain requirements for drinking water about the contents and mineral content, etc. So the water they take out from tube well, even there they say it is not safe for drinking. For washing clothes, bath, no problem. So that is because for drinking it's not pure. But otherwise, the Islamic aspect is that when you put dirt in the ocean doesn't become dirty, that water becomes clear. So similarly, if they make a treatment such a way that the impurities are removed, then it becomes pure, no problem. I'm just giving you a simple example. There's sewage water. Fine? It is dirty. It evaporates. It turns into cloud. The cloud water coming down is pure or not? So that is Allah's purification system, evaporation, and getting down. You take it, it's 100% pure even for drinking. Unless there are some problems in the pollution, etc. Now they are adopting a system and purifying it. It should be pure. Having a bath, doing wudu, no problem. So Islamically, there's no problem at all. Hope that answers the question. Allah purifies by evaporation. So even with the dirt and feces, etc. in the muck and slum area, and it's evaporating, it becomes clear. So they also do a somewhat similar system with the purified, so no problem at all. Hope that answers the question.